Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to avoid payment errors on Temu step by step. First, always make sure your internet connection is stable before making any payment. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons for payment errors on Temu. Next, check your payment method carefully, whether you are using a debit card, credit card, PayPal, or any other option. Make sure your card details are entered correctly. Double check your card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Also, ensure that your bank account has enough balance or credit limit available. Sometimes payments fail simply because there are not enough funds in the account. Another important step is to verify that your card is enabled for online international transactions. Many banks block online or foreign payments by default, so you may need to activate this option by contacting your bank. If you are still facing issues, try switching to another payment method inside Temu. Sometimes using a different card or PayPal account can solve the problem instantly. You should also avoid using VPNs while making payments, as they can sometimes cause transaction failures. Lastly, always update your Temu app or browser to the latest version. Outdated apps can also lead to payment glitches and errors. So overall, avoiding payment errors on Temu is very simple if you follow these basic steps.